Hey, bro, man, go purple rain.
Purple rain.
God damn, girl, you so goddamn fucking. I started from nothing. Good what? I still ain't got nothing.
That means I started from nothing. I still ain't.
What up? What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Mike, motherfucking 3-time checking another video. Hey, as y'all can tell, we at the shed right now. You see the big 3.9 dudes, big 6'4" for your hoe. We got another scat. We got that cat motherfucker with the hood off. We hit that leg maker motherfucker. This bitch so damn tough. Hey, shout out Turbo. Hey, then we got right here the big 3.9 deuce right here. Shake down, you feel me? Then you got another scat, you feel me? That bitch tough. This bitch a wide body. That bitch black. And cost a rack. Then we got the goddamn Hell raising goddamn Challenger. Then we got RJ in that nasty with the matte black hood. 3.9 deuce. All right, come on, look at it. And they got a little sauce to a little extra to upgrade. Then, ooh, we got this Super B right here. This bitch so motherfucking tough. Look at that motherfucker. Look at that damn wrap on that bitch, boy. Ooh, wee. Hey, this bitch is tough. Hey, y'all gonna here tap in. Ooh. It's the details, y'all. Peep the detail. Peep that shit. Then we got, right here, we got the big 6.2 Trapmobile cat right there. Then we got that Mach 1 motherfucker. They got down Chris. Hey, I know you watching it. This bitch is not Pikachu. You see this bitch? This bitch is not Pikachu. Hey, this bitch is Laffy Taffy Mobile. Then last but not least, we got that LT1 Camaro. Lime green slime a nigga out, motherfucker. Boy, this bitch so tough. Hey, this nigga right here, this nigga Trap got the striker cat.
Trying to get me a Mach 1 next.
But anyway, y'all, hey, I'm gonna tap back in with y'all niggas when we get on the road and get to our destination.
Who got to clean the car here?
Me, I can't see it. That cat.
I can't see it.
That's the front of the road, but the whole of the go.
Man, what the fuck is you talking about?
What the fuck was that?
I'm sorry, man.
Hey,
Alright,
let
let's
them
go
know.
out.
Hey, go on talk to
Let
him.
them know. Let them know.
Play that again,
That nigga drunk as a skunk over there. Smell the liquor in his breath.
Bro, look at this motherfucker, bro. That big 3.9 deuce 6.4 for your hoe right here. Park that. Come on, bro. Yes, sir. Look at my motherfucker all cleaned up and shit. Number fast shit out this bitch. It's all about the details. You gotta make sure you clean everything, bro. Rims included, tires showing. Like, look, you gotta make sure you clean the damn door jams. Even though this bitch kind of dusty, but clean that bitch. Look at this shit. I don't even know Leroy, but happy birthday, bro.
I got a helicopter. I'm gonna burn a helicopter. Just don't do that. I want to burn a helicopter.
Boomhauer, I can't understand a word you're saying.
Tight shit. Ain't that right, Mike?
Hell yeah.
We going up.
Hey, man, hey, goddamn, girl, you so goddamn fucking standing. Stop sign.
Wow. Oh, wait. Ooh, wee. Y'all heard that? That's scary.
Oh, he was talking about Devin, y'all.
Yeah, one of y'all.
I thought he was talking about you.
He said you so goddamn. I can't stand.
Matter of fact, let's just ask him.
No, we ain't gotta do it.
What you saying?
Let's just ask him, nigga.
We don't gotta do that. We don't gotta do that. We just gonna say he was talking about Devin. We're not gonna bring Devin in it.
So you are drunk.
Y'all
Y'all got something like.
Girl,
I'm following behind y'all.
where the spot at? What you mean? You follow behind us?
I was following it. You see it, I was second.
So what the spot at?
I'm guessing this is. I might be some chicken or something.
Yeah, they got food. Devin, you hear what I said? We came all the way out here for who is Uncle Leroy? Wait a minute, who? We came all the way out here for a birthday party. Uncle Leroy? What you said?
Hey, happy birthday, Leroy.
Chill. Hey, chill.
We have here. Happy birthday, nigga.
Bro, I ain't even seen Leroy yet. But who Leroy?
I don't know, bro. We just out here vibing, man.
Hey, man, say, man,
We in the
vlog, who is
bonus.
Leroy? Hey, but happy birthday to you for real, for real.
You don't even know the nigga, bro.
Man, they got that happy birthday to that nigga.
You don't even know.
You gotta know a nigga to be a nice to a nigga.
Shut your nice ass up.
Get that camera out. I am nice. Get that camera out my face.
Hey, we just
It's the camera right there.
It's cameras everywhere.
Camera everywhere.
Hey, man, say, man, hey, I think I figured out what I'm gonna title this vlog, y'all. I think I'm gonna title this bitch, goddamn, we brought the goddamn number fast shit out to the trenches, bro. Yes, sir. Number cats, scats, marrows, stains, and vets. Number fast shit.
Hey, fast enough.
Ooh, look at that 3-9 dude.
I don't think I
That
switched
3-9 dudes.
until I got like
6'4" for your hoe. Come on, man. That bitch so trim.
But I rolled enough.
Look at that new. Look at the goddamn new booty we put on that motherfucker. Hey, coming in my next vlog. I don't know if I'm drop the diffuser install or what, but hey, we got that motherfucker on there. Did it myself.
I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up. Nothing can stop me now. Nothing can stop. I told y'all everything. I changed 2 days in 1 week.
Spit in my mouth. Hey, how many bottles you had? How many drinks you had?
About 15.
15.
That normal?
Shit.
That ain't normal. That was normally 25.
What move, Chris? What we doing?
Just chilling in the hood, man. Tight shit. That's how we make money, bro. Be trapping this shit, bro. I got this whole block. This whole shit mine for real, man.
See the supply.
See the supply, man.
Hey, man, say, man, hey, we popped out. We really in the trenches with this shit, bro. Low key scared, vlog.
It's like Scrabble. I'm just trying to come in at any moment.
This nigga Chris, bro. Chris, you going to hell for that, bro.
I might be.
From the project. You don't live.
Yeah, but this is my block.
Ew.
I'm trying to be like Mike. I'm finna go back. I got
tell him like
4.3 million out there.
Hey, bro, man, purple rain.
Hey, that would be a hard name for your car.
Rain.
Then you got a theme song.
Hey, I need help. Purple rain.
Purple rain.
What do it? Purple rain. Y'all can't sing.
Y'all sing with the cameras in y'all hand.
Yeah.
Y'all sing.
We the video. Come on, you
Man,
right.
no, turn around, sing.
Hey, wait a tit on top.
He got a what on top, bro?
Titty.
I like that goddamn Lamborghini right there.
That Lambo. Which one? That green one. That green Lambo.
Yeah.
That is.
That's him.
CEO right here.
You see him?
CEO, that's no one trouble,
Hey, you see
man.
the chain on? You see the.
Bro, I'm trying to get like him.
You trapping down, nigga?
He gonna sponsor that.
Yeah.
Goddamn Jesus.
now.
I die behind this shit.
Hey, I start from nothing. Get what? I still ain't got nothing.
Mike, that means I started from nothing. I still ain't.
Hey, hold on, this shit ain't funny. It ain't funny, but it is.
Hey, man, say, man, we at the gas station right now. We finna go ahead and get out of Clinton right now because it's raining. We got a little freak Nick or whatever. You know, some slight, but look. We got the whole gas station full of Mopars around this motherfuckers. Cat, Scat, Super B, LT1. Yes, sir. Big 3-9 dude.
Put me on the camera, nigga.
Hey, y'all see that motherfucker? That tough.
Hey, that's that Hemi Orange motherfucker. You see what I'm saying? Yeah.
Then we got the little 345 right here, the little RT. Then we got Chris in the vet. Then we got the all black somebody Scat. Don't know how to act. Hey, vlog, we brought big dog shit to goddamn little ass time, bro. Look, we got another wide body right there. We got another wide body right there. We got another Scat right there, and we got a mock motherfucking one. Hey, man, say, man, vlog, ain't nobody popping this shit like us. Hey, make sure y'all like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to your boy Mike 3 times. But anyway, y'all, hey, I'm gonna check back in with y'all in the next video. Peace.